everybody, it's Heather from Come Alive Creations, and today I'm just going to be doing a little unboxing video of this beautiful new kit from By the Well for God. This kit is called Handcrafted, created for His purpose, and it's so beautifully packaged. Every time I receive a kit from them, I just love the way they have it packaged. There's this sweet little thank you note that has a little bit of information, and then you have all of these goodies inside of this little pouch. And these are all the little extra freebies. This is the freebie if you are one of the first 300 customers to place an order of $50 or more. And this time, it's different every month. It always coordinates with the kit. This month it was some embroidery floss that is wrapped on a little wooden spool, and it's just really cute. I really like that. I think that'll add some nice texture to my Bible journaling pages. And then I'm just going to go through each of these items and show you what was in this. This is a clear stamp, and it's really cute. Some little scissors. And then there's a little scripture / journaling card here with a couple of cute little bow clips or fabric clips on there. And then you have a lot of these little journaling cards. They look like those library book cards, you know, that you used to get when you were a kid, when you would check out a book from the library. So those are super cute. And then next we have a sticker sheet. These are little buttons, and these are clear stickers. So cute. And then some more little label stickers. And then this is just a card, and it has a little thank you note on one side of it with the graphics for the current kit. And then on the reverse side is always a little sneak peek of the upcoming kit. So next I am going to show you these beautiful papers. These are not standard with the kit. They are extra. I did not order everything that you could order with this kit. I only got some of the extras, and this is one of the extras. They have these papers in 6x6 as well as 6x8. And there are 3 sheets of each design, and they are double-sided, so you get to pick from whichever side you want. So I really, really like these papers. They're super cute. The graphics are really cute. The colors are really cute. I just really love this kit this month. And you can't really see that too much on the back there. It's like a, you know, when you are making something, like when you're doing a sewing pattern and you have the actual pattern itself that you lay on top of the fabric to cut it out. That's what was on the back of that paper sheet. I love this one. It's so cute with all of the yarn and the scissors, and you'll see this, this paper right here actually matches pretty good with one of the stamp sets that I got. And I love using these papers to make pockets or to use as a layering piece. It's just really, the sky's the limit with these papers. You can just use your imagination and really get some fun looks with these. This floral is so pretty. And this has the mannequins on the back that matches the stencil that I got with the kit as well, which I'll show you in just a minute. So the kit is always wrapped up really cute in some really cute tissue paper. And I try to take care to not rip the tissue paper because the tissue paper is fun to use in your journaling as well. But it is tissue paper, so it rips pretty easily. And then their kit always comes in this super cute, kind of like this canvas bag, and it always has the little logo for the kit on the front of the bag, and it's just really a cute way to package it up. And then the extras that I ordered are not in the bag, they're outside here. I ordered 2 stamp sets and the stencil. So this stencil is mannequins, and I think that that's going to be a really fun background to create. And then I got this cable collage stamp, which I also think will make a really cute background. And then this is the sewn and seamed stamp set, and it's got so many cute little things. It's got some bobbins, a needle, a sewing machine, and some fabric pieces. It's just got a lot of really cute stamps in it, so I can't wait to dive into this kit and use those stamps. And then they really put a lot of stuff in these kits. They're really a great value. I love getting their kits. There's just so much in here. You can't even use it all. It's so much. So this is a cute little button that comes coordinating with the kit every month. And then here you have a couple of more fabric clips and another scripture card. And then this is the stamp set that actually comes with the kit. It's super cute. It has that mannequin and some yarn with knitting needles going through it and some buttons. It just has so many cute little stamps in here, and I just am really excited to jump in and use this. And I noticed as I was messing with this that this actually came in a really sturdy plastic pouch, and so I haven't gotten a By the Well for God kit in a few months, and so I don't know if this is new this month or maybe it was new in the past couple of months, but this is a really sturdy plastic pouch, so that was pretty exciting. I would love to have a lot of those pouches for all of my stamps. And then next are these journaling cards that have just some blank space on the back sides of them that you can journal in them. And then on the front side, they have scriptures. These are great to use as layering pieces, or you can do like a tip in. They're just really fun. And then next, I'm going to show you the stickers that come with the kit. These are all clear stickers, so they are a little bit transparent. And they have the zippers, and then we have some florals, and then some different threads and stuff of that sort. And then they also send these beautifully designed alpha stickers, and they recently started doing the number stickers as well. And then there's always a sticker that has the little logo for the kit on there. And these are really great watercolors. I'm going to swatch those out a little bit later, and you'll get to see what those colors look like. And then this is the ephemera pack that comes. These are just little die cuts, and they are so cute. They are great for layering and just really adding some texture and interest to your pages. I love these little sewing machines. They are just adorable. And then there are some really cute florals. I think they have florals of some sort in most of their kits, which I absolutely love. And then this cute little thread spools, and then some scissors. And then they have several more journaling cards. We got a lot of journaling cards this month. These are so cute. They each have a little saying on the front of them, and then they have lines on the back so that you can journal on there. Again, these are great for layering or using for tip-ins. You could create a pocket and use these cards to go down inside the pocket. Really just whatever your creativity calls for. And then they always have a texture piece, and this month it was this cute little like ruler, like measuring tape. It was kind of a cloth material. Next, I'm going to show you the devotional study book. It has 14 devotionals in it. The idea behind this is that you would read a devotional a day and then meditate on it and then journal on it the next day. And then that is 28 days worth of devotionals. So I am going to show you these watercolors so you can see exactly what the colors look like. So I just grabbed out some of my watercolor paper and a paintbrush, and I'm going to show you these colors. So these are Daniel Smith watercolors, and By the Well for God puts some of these colors in every kit with corresponding colors for the kit, and they are really great watercolors. A little bit goes a long ways, so even though it looks like there's not much on the card, you really probably won't run out of these at all. So this first color is called Burnt Yellow Ochre, and as with any watercolors, the less water you put on there, the more vibrant your color is going to be, the darker it's going to be, and then the more water you put on there, the lighter the color is going to be. And this next color is called Buff Titanium. It's kind of an off-white. I don't know how well you'll actually be able to see it on the page, but it is just a off-white color. And the next one is called Terra Verde. And so this is just a green color. This would be really great. I feel like with all the florals that are in this kit, this would be a really great color for leaves and that sort of thing. And then this next color is called Perylene Red. And it is a very bright, vibrant red if you have not much water, but you can see it really fades out into almost a pinkish red color. And of course, you could add even more water to it and make it as light as you want. And this next color is Lamp Black. So it's just a simple black. And again, you can really fade that out into more of a gray color. And then this last color is called Cascade Green. And again, just another really pretty green color. So that is all of the watercolors for this kit. And so I lift them up so you can really see them. You can see that Buff Titanium a little bit more here. So that is it for this kit, guys. You can head on over to bythewellforgod.com if you want to pick up your own kit. There are more components of this kit that I did not purchase this time, but they have so many great things. They even have a bundle that you can buy that already has everything put in it for you. So go ahead and check that out. And then if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.